Hello everyone, today we're going to go over the forecast for the next few days in today's video, so let's get right into things. Okay, we're looking at 3 o'clock today. We're seeing some showers and storms going on down here in the south, which could be severe with potential for some tornadoes, a few being significant, large hail and damaging winds being possible down here in the south, so you will have to watch that for today. Also some rain showers going on for the northeast here, just some light rain, no severe weather is expected for these areas. Also, some rain and snow showers going on up here in the Midwest here. We're going to be seeing a little bit heavier snow going on. Also see back here near the mountains, we're seeing some mountain snow going on in these areas. We will have to watch that. And then we're seeing a little bit of rain and storms starting to move in from the west here into the western United States. We'll have to watch for the risk of flash flooding, especially in California, as we will see another system coming through. So let's fast it forward here over the next few hours. We'll see those storms continue for areas of the southern United States southeast, where we could see some large hail, damaging winds, and tornadoes. We also see some rain and snow continuing for the Midwest and Northeast. We also see some rain showers going on for the western United States also. Let's fast it forward even more into the future. We may see more rain and thunderstorms around tomorrow, around 11 a.m. tomorrow Eastern Time in the eastern United States from Florida all the way up into Ohio and Pennsylvania. Mainly showers and thunderstorms, but isolated storm or two could be stronger. There could also be a few snow showers and rain going on around 11 o'clock Eastern tomorrow or 10 o'clock Central. And then here in the western United States, we're going to start seeing some rain and snow going on here for California. As we fast forward even more, we'll see those showers eventually dissipate. A lot of snow showers continuing for the Midwest. Also seeing some rain and snow showers for the western United States. As we fast forward, we see that all that snow continues to move east into some areas of Michigan, Indiana, Ohio, even areas of the northeast seeing some snow going on. And then we see the western United States seeing some rain and some snow showers also going on in a few areas here. Then as we go farther out till the end of this model run, we see a little bit of snow going on up here in the northeast and rain and snow showers going on here for the western United States here. Down in the southeast, we do have enhanced risk severe weather for today, where areas in Mississippi and Alabama, where we have a 10% risk of tornadoes with significant, meaning a few significant tornadoes could be possible. Here we are looking at the models. We're seeing a few showers and storms going on today. A few of these could be strong to severe with large hail, damaging winds, and tornadoes. A few in which could be strong here. As we fast forward, these storms will continue to move east into near Atlanta. By around 10 p.m. tonight, we are seeing a few showers and storms going on around Atlanta. By this time, it's probably going to be a little weaker by that time. Still a few thunderstorms that could be severe by this time. Then eventually it clears out, and then by tomorrow morning, we could be seeing some showers and storms going on from Alabama to areas of Tennessee, all the way up to Ohio Valley there. Then by around 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock Eastern here, we are seeing some showers and storms going on from Florida all the way up to near the Ohio Valley and Northeast. So we could be seeing some showers and storms going on. Most likely this will not be severe. This will mainly just be regular showers and storms here. It's looking like, especially when it's during the overnight hours, we usually don't see much of a severe risk. As we fast forward, we could still be seeing some showers and storms going on from areas of Florida all the way up into Virginia, with a few showers and storms, maybe a few stronger storms by this time developing, especially near Macon, it looks like there. Maybe a few showers or storms going on there. So definitely we'll have to watch that tomorrow. Then as we fast forward, we still see some showers and storms, and it looks like it starts to dissipate by tomorrow night around 3 o'clock in the morning, and then there's really not much going on after that. Most of our activity is going on off the coast here, severe weather-wise at least here, so that's some good news by this time. Okay, now we're looking at California, as we have an atmospheric river going on in these areas, which is going to cause another storm system to come in here. As we see around this time, this is about the time probably when the video will come out here. We're seeing a little bit of rain showers and snow showers maybe for California, but we're seeing mainly a break for most of California, rain-wise and snow-wise here in this area. But as we fast forward, some more rain and showers will come in. By later tonight, around 3 o'clock in the morning, 4 o'clock here Eastern, 12 o'clock I would say a.m. and in Pacific close to, we're seeing a few showers or storms starting to move on into the coast here, where we could see some flash flooding being possible. As we fast forward, we start to see more of that heavier rain move in to areas of Northern California here, and we're also seeing a little bit of snow going on, where we could see quite a bit of snow going on with some of this snow activity going on. Then we're going to see flash flooding for potentially areas where we're seeing a lot of that rain and thunderstorms going on in the same areas. I've got already a lot of flooding from our last system. Now we're seeing even more flash flooding being possible from this system. As we fast forward, this will continue to impact areas of California. It looks like some of Eastern California may see a little bit of a break, luckily. Wednesday, it looks like here, but still some showers and storms going on for Western California here, where we could see some flash flooding still going on in some of these areas. Then it'll continue to move east into more of California, causing more rain and then snow for the mountains here, which is pretty bad for this area because we don't need much more rain, or really no rain at all in most of these areas, because this area has seen such a big amount of rain from our last system. Now you're going to see even more rain, causing even more flooding going on. So we're seeing a lot of rain that will cause flash flooding, so this is a good thing and a bad thing for these areas. And then by the time this model runs out, we're still seeing some rain and snow showers going on in this area. So hopefully you're ready for this. Make sure if you see water-covered roads, turn around and don't drown, because this is not a good situation for this area. Here's our rain totals from this next system. We're seeing a big swath of at least 2 inches or more of rain being possible for Western California, with a lot of higher amounts in here, a lot of scattered areas of higher amounts. I'm seeing potentially a max of maybe even 20.3 inches of rain, which is pretty insane amount of rain, which will definitely cause flash flooding in this area, which is colored in red. You need to be prepared for flash flooding. This area outlined here will be the main area that needs to be on main alert for flash flooding being potentially possible, or pretty much likely really, for that area. Also, you see on the mountains, we're seeing quite a bit of snow being possible here. This is our total precipitation, but we probably will see a lot of snow and or maybe a little bit of rain too being possible in some of the mountains. Also, a little bit of rain could be possible down here, also in California, with around 2 to maybe even locally higher amounts in some areas. But the main area I'm most concerned about is right up in this region. We're seeing a big area of 2 inches or more here in that area, so that's definitely an area that we'll need to watch out for flash flooding. In the Midwest, we're seeing some snow going on, potentially some heavier snow going on by the time this video is released here. We're seeing quite a bit of heavy snow here from areas of Nebraska all the way up into areas of Wisconsin here. We can see some heavier snow, some areas of lighter rain potentially going on also for areas of Wisconsin, Minnesota, South Dakota there. As we fast forward, we're going to see the snow continue for a lot of these areas into Minneapolis here, St. Cloud. Here we're seeing quite a bit of snow. It looks like it gets a little lighter by this time, but still some snow will be possible in some of these areas here. Also maybe a little bit of mountain snow going on too. As we continue to fast forward here on the model, we just continue to see snow a little bit. That snow becomes a little more heavier just south of Duluth, potentially near Minneapolis here. So we may see a little bit of snow going on even back here in Des Moines too. We're seeing a little bit of snow here by around 6 p.m. on Wednesday. As we fast forward even more, we still see some snow showers going on for near Minneapolis here. Potentially a little bit heavier snow close to St. Cloud, Minneapolis here. Definitely something to watch. And as we fast forward until the end of this model run, we're still seeing quite a bit of snow in this area here in Minnesota, Illinois, Wisconsin here. A little bit heavier snow looks like here in Wisconsin going on. So this is our total snow accumulations. We're seeing some quite high amounts here, whereas Wisconsin all the way over to South Dakota here of maybe 6 inches or more being possible. And in those pink areas, maybe 11 inches or maybe just a little bit more being possible. It says the max here is 17.7 inches of snow being possible in this area here. Even near Des Moines, we're seeing at least a dusting being possible here with this snow going on here. So we're seeing quite a bit of snow here, and especially up in this area here in Wisconsin all the way over to South Dakota. Thank you guys for watching. Hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video. Please like, subscribe, and share. It'd all be appreciated. And see you guys in the next video.